remember this Maxima. Went on a test drive, felt the AC wasn't blowing too cold. It wasn't blowing cold, it was blowing cool. And so I hooked up the gauges and found that high side was fluctuating a little bit. It was a little low, high side was up a little bit. This was almost 2 weeks ago. Yeah, it was almost 2 weeks ago. Aftermarket extended warranty. It took them forever to ship their own part. They wanted to ship their own part. They didn't want to use OEM. So with that being said, I did cut this box open, but I have not seen what's in it yet. Okay, as y'all see, it's still wrapped. It says up right there. So let's flip it upside down. So I don't even know what brand this. Why does it say up right there if, no, it needs to go like this. I don't even, like I said, I don't know what brand this is. It's close to OE. All I know is this is not painted. Maybe I'll have a little better luck with this one. Aftermarket. Y'all know I'm not a fan of aftermarket, but this one doesn't look like one of those 4-season black painted compressors. That might actually work. Wow, y'all saw that short. After almost 2 weeks of waiting, I finally got the part for this vehicle. Y'all saw what it is. We are now recovering the refrigerant. I almost called it fluid, but yes, we're recovering the refrigerant. It's in the first stage. We got to go through second stage. Already at 3/4 of a pound, and this thing holds 1.21, 134A. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. Let's start replacing that. And then I got a door lock actuator also. They came in for the door lock actuator actually, and this guy's being loud, but came in for the door lock actuator. Diagnosed that on the test drive. As I test drive every vehicle I pull into my stall, so I'm not hit with no hidden issues, drivability or noise or feel. I caught that the AC wasn't blowing cold. As y'all remember, we diagnosed the AC compressor. And I don't know what brand this is, up, although that wasn't supposed to be up, but we got the AC compressor right here. It's not a 4 seasons. I thought they were gonna send me a 4 seasons. Was not willing to throw that on, but looks like we got close to OEM. So I'm hoping this one actually works, but we'll see. We'll show y'all at the end. Y'all stay tuned. Green machine, green machine. Oh shit. Alright, so I cut out all the extra stuff that's not needed in the video. Whole point is to get to the AC compressor. So this might be bad angles, and I apologize. But doing the best I could. Unless I had a head mount. That would be crazy. Did I lock it down right here? I think my bolt is too long. Got me a regular 10. Locked down right there. I think I had just put a drive belt on this last visit too, so we're gonna save the belt. I like suddenly forgot how to do this. What the hell? I ain't got enough flex.
What hose you waiting on?
Low side.
That's right, AC.
Yeah.
I forget. Compressor?
Yeah. Alright, I think I need to drop the subframe a tad bit in the front. Okay, yeah, that gave me the clearance I need to get to these hoses, to get to the stuff that I need to get to. Let's see what else is holding. Yeah, that should work. Disconnected. I think once I get the lines off, I'll be able to disconnect the other connector. Oh, y'all might be being blinded a little bit, huh? I apologize. And then I have to do an alignment on another vehicle. Man, come on, today's closeout. Let's get the stuff done that we have in the shop right now. It's like one of the worst times for people to bring in their vehicles. Closeout, end of the month. Oh. Man, this thing is such a tight fit. I forgot the Maximas are tight. Let me get my 10 mil. Did I just get dripped on? I feel like I just got dripped on. These AC line bolts are a little corroded. Just a little bit. I got the other one off. There goes my wrench. Let's get these 14s off. Or are they 12s? 14s. I dropped another socket. Ooh. Ooh. I know y'all heard that. That's a scary sound. It's like too tight to take it off by fingers, too loose to use the ratchet. All because of this corrosion that gets built up in the bolts between steel and aluminium. I didn't have much, but I feel it. The top one, I'm just gonna run that sucker out if I can. It's at a weird angle, and I don't think I'll be able to put a wobble socket, a wobble extension on it. Should get that degree I'm looking for. And definitely did. Y'all see that? Wobble on it. Yeah. Take these two out. Compressor will be loose. All I have to do is wiggle that top hose loose, which is a pain in the butt. Oh, and there's a connected, yeah. One of those zip ties that have the clips on them, like in there, holding the compressor. Oh, there we go. It wasn't too bad. Got it. So now I gotta try to work this hose free, which can sometimes be a pain. Come on, there we go. Got it. Oh, I'm not clearing this bracket. What? Oh, jeez. In the hell? Not all weird right now. All right, there we go. We got the compressor out. Now while it's out, I'm going to swap out these O-rings. I thought that was a funnel cake. Oh, bitch.
Hey.
Slap these new O-rings on before we put the compressor up. Then we ain't gonna have no room. Whew. Hey, today's the last day too. Join the FMFAM down below for a giveaway that's coming up. Should be on the 1st. I'm gonna do the giveaway on the 1st, which is, oh man, you better hurry up once this video drops, because in the nighttime, that's when I'm gonna do the giveaway. All right, hopefully this thing don't fight me going in like it did coming out. I don't understand why it even did that.
Mel, did you need something? Not exactly sure. Do you need me, Mel? Did you call me? Did you call me, Mel? I'm not sure.
He said, oh, howling on me, where's your shirt, me-ho? Me-ho, what's your shirt? Is that how you got a month?
Funny, boss comes around and everybody gets all excited. On this one, you always want to make sure that the front bolts are tight. That's why I ran them down a little more, because these front bolts actually align the belt. Oh shit. Man, that shit makes it make it awkward as hell, because then he starts looking at me and I'm over here. I just feel weird.
You're 30 years old?
No. You know, there's a difference when they know and when they see. You know? Bye-bye. And they just put up this alignment too. Damn. She's waiting. She's waiting. What do waiters do? They wait. ¿Qué quieres?
Just left the keys in.
Why'd you leave them in it? You know, it's funny. Hey, can you get this car out today? Can you get the other car out today? Oh, I got another car coming in. Can you get that one out today? The hell? You need that one out today? So that means she's waiting. She's gonna wait until we're done. All day. What do you mean? You had her come in on the worst day. You got two cars that you want me to work on. Come on, Papa.
I know, Papa. He does have a ticket open though on that vehicle, but a
Why?
different tag. He's gonna give her credit for the interior detail.
They haven't done it?
No, she doesn't want it out there.
She doesn't want it.
So let me know, Papa.
Hey, do me a favor?
Yeah.
You pick that wrench up?
That bridge? This one?
Yeah. Hey, you.
Alright, let me know.
All right. Hey, watch out with my box. Hey. Okay, that's tight. Tight is tight. And then we got this line. Ooh. Ooh, I don't know if y'all hear that in the background. That was a Corvette. Holy cow, I'm at 41 marks on the recorder. Wow. Or 41 minutes. Did I say 41 minutes? Anyways, I'm at 41 minutes as of right now recording. That's not including the short. That's not including the intro. It's not including what we have left. But we're almost. We're almost done. And we hired a few new people I've never seen. The heck? That locked down. Locked down. Oil switch plugged in. There. Put our belt on right now, because why not? Might as well. Oh, that's what it is. There we go. All right, get this subframe back up. Missed my mark on a couple spots. So this mount right here. And on the side. Slowly raise it up. Secure the nut that's on top. Just a couple threads. Put the bolts in. Spin them in a few threads. And lock it down. I didn't show this part, but I gotta put this in. Y'all remember a couple months back, or a month ago, I was in a hurry. I was gonna go meet up with my cousin before he went to the hotel for to leave to basic training. Yeah, kind of similar. Oh, come on. Why is that one not lining up?
How many scraps does it take to fix that problem?
There we go. Aside from this, all I have to do is put the panels back on, refill it with refrigerant, and we are out of here. Make sure, guys, make sure y'all join that FMFAM tonight or today. Definitely before 9 p.m. Central Standard Time. That's when the drawing is gonna happen. Check out these videos right there. Subscribe right there.
I'm toxic and psychotic with this logic, you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic.
Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I